Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, and in this video we're going to be making some DIY light switch covers. I've always wanted a really pretty light switch cover, so I thought it would be so much fun to go ahead and make one myself, and I can totally make it however I want. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. And before we get on to the video, remember to hit that red subscribe button. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let's get started. So I found these light switch covers at Walmart and they were like 50 cents each. So as soon as you've opened it up, be sure not to lose the 2 screws it came with because we'll need those later. So I have decided to paint it pink, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. The paint is pretty thin, so I'm going to do multiple layers. I'm using pink, but you can use any color that matches your bedroom. I thought it would be really pretty to add gems, so I'm going to go ahead and hot glue them on. Before you do this, make sure the paint is completely dry. As soon as you finish gluing them on, then you're all done. So for the second light switch cover, I'm going to be painting it a teal, and I'm going to be mixing some blue and some green paint. Now I think it would be really pretty to add some blue and green glitter. When you sprinkle this on, be sure the paint is still wet. Then shake off the excess glitter. When the paint is dry, we're going to be using Mod Podge. This helps so the glitter doesn't chip off. Don't worry about how it looks white, it does dry clear. Now I'm going to remove the old light switch cover and put on the new one. I love how this turned out. It matches my room perfectly. Oh my goodness, you guys, those light switch covers turned out so cute and I hope you liked them. Comment down below which one was your favorite. I think my favorite one was the green glitter one. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Just so you guys know, I post Wednesdays and Saturdays, so if you check on those days, I should have a new video out. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye! See you guys next week!